Today I got some parts for the Volvo. Here it is. This is the clutch slave piston thing. It's gonna disengage the clutch. This thing is gonna sit down here and push on this piece of arm. And there's a hole for it right there, hard to see. And this pipe goes up and into this thing that's here behind all of these pipes, and there's already one hanging here actually. Here's the old one, but it's kind of broken. It's just a hole. I don't know what's wrong with this one, but someone took it apart. So we're gonna put in the new one, and then we can drive this thing. And we can use the clutch. It's freaking rusty. Let's see if this works. It's just spinning. Oh, it's loose. Oh, hey. It's rusty. This is actually supposed to be able to spin, but it's rusty. Oh well, it's off. This needs the same treatment. I hope it's easier to get this one off. Yeah, there's some oil in here. Yeah, this one is also rusted, stuck to the pipe. This is how it's supposed to be. It's moving around. But let's see if we can get some oil on that fitting. Okay, let's go in here again. Oh shit, the car started peeing here. Oh, some grass in that hole, and it's just emptying its bladder right now. Yeah, hole filled with shit. Okay. Let's get this one in here. The air fitting thing should be up, I guess. Oh shit. Put it here. Oh, these mosquitoes. Now the car is peeing on my head. That's just great. Maybe it's been bent also. I want it fit. Yeah, this pipe is busted. Disgusting water coming. Million mosquitoes also. I don't have this special tool that you're supposed to have when you're working with these clamps, which makes it even harder. Why is it so hard to push it in? This dripping water. How hard is it to get it on? It was way easier to get it off. It's dripping water in my ear. Jag har inte ens gjort ett steg och du klagar på låg batteri. Old pipe needs to go. We'll start over here where you can't see anything at all. So let's get it in position. I don't want to screw this in all the way. This slowly. Well, what are my choices? Let's get it started at least. It's not even in. It's not even grabbing. I don't know if it's even straight. That's like impossible to get it to move a tiny bit with your hands. And this nipple ring is like totally destroyed. Because some idiot tried to take it off the wrong way earlier. Painfully slow process. Alltså, det är så mycket skit här. 17 är för kablar och skit. All of these freaking mosquitoes. Alright, it's the next day and this one is still not in. See here? It doesn't want to go in. I've been trying to get it in for hours. And the one down here is in. That one is finished. I just need to connect this and we're good to go. But it's impossible. So plan is to remove that so I can get access behind here. And then I've taken off one of the screws here. This is for the clutch. And then we have one in the back somewhere. Up there. I need to take that one out. And then I can get loose. And maybe then I can move it here enough so I can get it in. Hopefully. I got it all loose here. Oh, you can't see it. I think it's on. I hope it's on straight, not sure. No idea actually if it is. But because it went in not straight once. So I'm afraid that it wants to go the same way again, damaging the treads even more. But it's really hard to tell. This thing is loose now, so it's a lot easier to work with. But it's still a pain in the ass. And it might be not straight, then I have to redo everything. I'm not sure. Alright, I got something in there. It's not the correct one, but the threads inside were so damaged, so I had to repair them with this. This one is too small, but the height of the threads is correct. And I think that did the trick. So I got in this one, which is from the old pipe that has burst. And hopefully these threads are now going in the right place. So I'm gonna try again, take this out, put it back in and put the correct one in and see if it wants to go straight. I got it in, it's all tightened up now. Can't even see it. It's tight there. That nipple thing is tight. Pipe is back in place and it's down there, it's tight also. So now I just need to fill up some fluid and we're ready to bleed some clutch. So the container is full. Let's just fill the clutch. Nothing happens, but we need to bleed it. And the clutch is back. Let's see if it works. If we have a clutch inside. Oh, there we go. Reverse. Oh, it's moving. I can't see much. There's a tree. Okay. Let's put it in first. Yeah, it's working great. Let's put some fans on here. Wow, he's singing for me. It's amazing. There we go. Okay, quiet. It's getting hot in here. Alright, off we go! And it's alive, working well. Let's try second gear. This is hard. Whoops, stuff is flying. Everything is loose in the car. But it works great. Wow! This car is mad. It's like a drift maniac. I just feel it wanting to drift. Okay. That's awesome.